Hi guys, it's Papa G, and I want to invite you to come out to the 5th annual Tennessee Folk Magic Festival 2022. COVID sort of put us off for a couple of years. It should be the 7th annual, but it is the 5th time we have held this. I will be teaching a class that evening on a book that I wrote called Casting Love Spells, and we're going to cover all sorts of things on love magic, how to perform them, should you perform them, what types to do, the ethics of love magic, and all the different ingredients and components you would use. There are 6 free classes that day. It's held at aromaG's Botanica. 6 free classes, free food, there are door prizes, giveaways. There are 3 tarot readers on site that day, so it'll be a good time. Come out and see us September 11th at aromaG's Botanica.